That's a Mark 19. That's a grenade launcher. Oh. That's an automatic grenade launcher. 40 millimeter? 40 millimeter. Belt fed.
How far will it shoot a grenade?
How much are you selling now? They're like you can if we're wrapping them off.
Sir, would you please step to the side?
That's about a mile and a half.
Anyway,
My dude.
I got stopped a couple of jumpers over the years. I wasn't involved.
Gun show chaos.
Boy, that was a good-looking thing you was talking to it. Damn, she was.
Coming up this news hour, do you have tickets to the gun show? It looks like hundreds of people around the area did today as they flocked to downtown Shreveport to shop for firearms. Some are hoping to buy before a possible ban. KTBS 3's Craig Sims has the story.
Gun show organizers say attendance may be the highest in the event's 20-year history. However, these gun owners may face limits on what they can buy here in the future. Right now, they're lucky to find ammunition, which is in a shortage, and vendors are selling out quick.
I understand at a lot of the local stores, people say they are having a hard time finding ammunition.
Show promoter Sandra Bean Hewitt says guns are also selling well. Semi-automatic rifles like this AR-15 are in demand. Vendor Larry Deason says those guns and others are in a shortage, which means their prices have increased.
More people demanding guns, can't get them, so price goes up.
Deason says assault-type weapons are going fast because people are afraid of a possible ban on the guns.
Obama may be banning some guns here in the near future, and because of that, the sales have at least doubled in the last 30 days.
He says his shop has a waiting list of more than 100 people. The popularity of guns seems to be high, but cities around the country are deciding whether to allow such shows on public property in the shadow of recent gun violence. Bean Hewitt says such measures are unlawful.
We are law-abiding citizens here at venues all across the country exercising a Second Amendment right. We are not criminals.
The Riverview Hall show will continue on Sunday. Craig Sims, KTBS 3 News.
Now, the gun show will start at 10 a.m. and continue until 5 p.m. Sunday at Riverview Hall. Admission is $7.